Are you tired of losing trades and struggling to make profit in the market? What if I told you that you can turn your trading game around with just 2 free indicators on TradingView? Integrated, huh? Well, stick around and let's dive into TradingView together to discover how to make money using these powerful tools. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Bitcoin chart on the 15-minute time frame. But don't worry, the indicators we're going to discuss work for Forex, crypto, stocks, and any market, as well as any time frame from 1 minute to daily. Pretty awesome, right? So, the first indicator we'll be using on TradingView is called the Double Ribbon Indicator by Chart Prime. This fantastic tool combines 2 sets of simple moving averages into a visually intuitive ribbon, making it super easy to assess market trends and momentum. You'll be able to spot those profitable trading opportunities like a pro. To get started, head over to the top of your TradingView platform and look for the Indicators section. Once you're there, search for the Double Ribbon Indicator by Chart Prime. It's completely free, so go ahead and add it to your chart. Alright, so now that we've got the Double Ribbon Indicator added to our chart, let's take a moment to fine-tune its settings to optimal performance. Head over to the Indicator settings and in the Input section, look for the Length option. We're going to change this value to 200. This adjustment will make the indicator consider a longer period of price data, giving us a more comprehensive view of the market's overall trend. You can leave the source parameter to its default settings, which is close. This means the indicator will analyze the closing price of each candlestick or bar in the chart. No need to touch anything in the Style tab. The default visual settings will work just fine for our needs. Now that we've customized the Double Ribbon Indicator, let's dive into understanding how it works and how we can make the most out of it in our trading strategy. The indicator paints a color ribbon on the chart, which will be our guiding light in determining the market's trend direction. When you see the price candles trading below the ribbon and the indicator's oscillator line hovering below the zero level, that signals a clear downtrend in the market. On the flip side, when the price candles are dancing above the ribbon and the oscillator line is comfortably sitting above the zero line, we can confidently call it an uptrend. The Double Ribbon Indicator has done a fantastic job showing us the trend direction, but we still need to know precisely when and which price we should enter a trade, whether it's buy or sell. To tackle this challenge, we're going to add another awesome tool to our arsenal, the Swing High Low Support and Resistance Indicator. Gem of an indicator will draw dotted lines that pinpoint swing points based on the swing length input, which is essentially the number of bars to the left and right of the swing point. These swing highs and lows are essential for traders. They help identify possible areas of support and resistance. By spotting these key levels, you can make more informed trading decisions about where to place your stop loss or profit target orders. Swing highs and swing lows mark crucial turning points in the market, making them neutral choices for predicting support and resistance levels. Entering every swing point has the potential to become a support or resistance level. However, for effective trading, focus on major swing highs and lows. To add this powerful indicator to your chart, navigate to the indicator section once again. This time, search for the swing high low support and resistance indicator and select it from the results to add it to your chart. The swing high-low support and resistance indicator is a fantastic tool for identifying swing high and lows to draw support and resistance levels. However, to fully harness its potential within our strategy, we'll need to make some major adjustments. To do this, navigate to the input section and locate the swing high and swing low strength settings. We're going to tweak these values to 9, allowing the indicator to detect stronger and more significant swing points. As for sources, leave them at the default high and low parameters respectively. There's no need for any changes in the style tab. The default settings will work just fine for our purposes. Now that we've fine-tuned the indicator, it's time to dive into the exciting part, learning how to trade with it. When you observe that the trend is up, meaning the price candles are above the ribbon, keep an eye out for a swing high and resistance levels. Be patient and wait for the price candles to break through the resistance level and close above it. This is what we call a bullish breakout, and it's your green light to enter a long position. After you enter the trade, it's crucial to set a stop loss order to manage risk. A great strategy for this is to place your stop loss slightly below the previous support level. This way you'll have a safety net in place in case the market decides to pull a sneaky reversal on you. As for your target, aim for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, ensuring that your potential profit significantly outweighs the risk involved. And when trend is down, meaning the price candles are below the ribbon, look for a swing low and support levels. Wait for the price candles to break through the support level and close below it, signaling a bearish breakout and a sell signal to enter a short position. To manage risk, set the stop loss slightly above the previous resistance level. For your target, maintain a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5.